G'day again. Today we're going to have a look at how to do a hard reset or a factory reset on an iFit enabled machine. This will work on any NordicTrack or Proform equipment. It doesn't matter whether it is a spin bike, an elliptical, treadmill, cross trainer, rower, all of it. If it's got an iFit screen and you need to do a factory reset or a hard reset, this is the way to do it. Today we're going to do it on a treadmill, just because that's what we happen to have here. It's a pretty straightforward thing to do. There's only a couple of things you need to really watch out for. One of the hardest things you will have to do with this is find the little hole for the little switch to do the factory reset. But I'm going to give you a quick rundown of where to look and how to do it. To give you a clearer understanding of what the factory reset is, I've got a couple of other consoles here off other equipment to give you an idea, because as I said, the hardest part you will find is finding the little hole in the console to hit the switch with. Here's a console out of the treadmill. Now I'm using this as an example because it doesn't have the back on it, obviously. So what you're looking for is an incredibly small hole right here, and it will vary in where it is in each machine. But to give you an idea of what we're doing, there is a little micro switch here, which when you poke your thing through, you can hear that noise there. That is the reset switch. So as you can see on here, it's there. So what you're looking for is a little cutout or a very, very little hole. It makes it very difficult because a lot of the NordicTrack and Proform equipment is black, and it makes it hard to see. In this one here, this is off an elliptical. You can see that it's just here, so it's a very small hole. I use a toothpick. You can use a safety pin or anything, but the idea is you know you found it when you can stick that in there and hear that clicking sound. Here's one off a spin bike. This is quite an easy one to find. It's right at the top of the screen. So it's just there. So now that you know that, find where it is and you're basically halfway there. So we're going to move over to the treadmill and I'll show you how we do it. Okay, so hopefully you've located where that tiny little hole is with the reset switch. Now it's time to do the reset itself. It's a very simple procedure. Locate your switch. What you want to do is have the power off to the machine. You want to push this switch in at the same time as turning the machine on. Keep this switch here engaged. Keep your toothpick or your safety pin pushed in on the switch and let it power up. It'll take a while. Just keep it powered up for a while, and you will see now that it's an installing a system update. We'll bring the camera over here. So you'll see here that it's an installing a system update. It may do this, it may not. Sometimes it may change. But that is all there is to it. Now once you've done this, it is a complete factory reset, so you will need to set up your Wi-Fi and redo your iFit, set everything up again. If it hasn't fixed the problem that you had, do the reset again. I've had to reset machines 3 or 4 times before they actually get fixed. I don't know why, it's obviously a software thing, but 9 times out of 10, you do this reset, it will fix most of your problems. If you guys find that the reset doesn't fix it, it might be time to call a technician in or call iFit and just see how you go. Look, hope this helps. If you've got any questions, just ask in the comments. But if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.